Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Daylight. And a light therapy lamp with memory function. 3 light colors and 5 adjustable light intensities. UV-free full spectrum lamp. It is possible to buy it with 378 LED lamp pearls and here 12,000 lux. Wow! At 30 centimeters. Simulate the daylight. The soft light mimics the sun and is even flicker-free and does not dazzle in the eyes. It feels as if we are sitting in the sun, though this daylight lamp can help us recharge and wake up the energy again, while improving energy whole or mood depth. In addition, the light is UV-free, ultraviolet, so it does not harm our skin like the sun. And a personalized setting is possible. This daylight has 3 light colors: white, natural, and warm. 5 adjustable brightness level and continuous dimming mode, 10 up to 100%. The brightness can be adjusted freely and can therefore also be used as a normal lamp. We can adjust it with the settings, all light colors and brightness levels. And we have 4 timer settings and a memory function. This light therapy lamp has a timer switch that can be set to 10, 20, 30 or 60 minutes. In addition, the user-friendly memory function restores the settings, bright color, brightness and timer that will last used for the next use. Avoid resetting every time. And there is an RF remote control. It can control the range of 1 up to 15 meters. We can set it up anywhere. The sun lamp is made of high quality LED beads and PC and ABS materials. It is eye and skin friendly. The service life of the LED lights is approximately 60,000 hours, 10 times as many as ordinary bulbs. Compact and handy design. This compact lamp not only has uniform brightness, but also be pure with color. It can have a very good effect anywhere in the room and does not take up much space. Style and modern look to match any type of decoration. And it looks really nice. ElectriBrite light therapy lamp. This brings the sunshine to our home. We can have a long press the O button on the device to switch from the 3 colors of the light. We press the minus or plus button to lower the brightness or increase the brightness level on the device itself. And there is a removable base. The base is removable and don't slip. After installation, the daylight lamp can be more stable, so we can use it anytime and anywhere and have more comfortable experience. And there's a memory function. This is really awesome because some lights out there has no memory function. You have to reset and set up each use. This sun has an intelligent memory function. The next time we turn it on, it automatically selects our last selection. And the remote control, I like it. The RF remote control can control a range of up to 50 meters. So we can adjust the brightness, the color of the daylight light easily. Also timing function, we have the remote control to make it easier for us to use. It's a light therapy lamp. Brighten every day. Fight winter blues. Circadian sleep disorders, fatigue and shift work, suitable for home office, reading, yoga, etc., etc., etc. ElectriBrite light therapy lamp cares for our friends and family. And you have an LED light diffuser on it. This is the big spot on the top. And a support stand. If we like, we can take it and use it. We have a power light temperature button here. We can power or long press to switch between the temperatures. We have a DC port on it to get the power into it. Then a timer function button on the device, a decreased brightness button, an increased brightness button. We have an AC, a DC adapter included for the sockets of your country, an RF remote control with different kind of controls. We have an on and off button on the left upper side. We can press the power on button to turn it on or off. Yeah. Then we have a timer reset button on the upper right side. Then we have a short press to the 10 minute, 20, 30 and 60 minutes buttons to set the timer. This is the different timer settings. That's awesome. Lightning brightness level adjustment. It's possible to move up and down with it. It's the same brightness level selection and the lighting temperature selection. The adapter input voltage is AC 100 to 240 voltage. That means you can use it in nearly every country. Device input voltage is DC 24 volt, 1 ampere. The power ratio is from 2 to 20 watt. Daylight is from 5500 Kelvin to 5700 Kelvin. The natural light setup is 4000 Kelvin to 4200 Kelvin. And the warm light goes to 2800 to 3000 Kelvin. The materials are ABS and PC. Okay, these are a high quality kind of plastic because it does not feels cheap. No, it has a good shape. It has a good condition, and you can feel and touch it, and it is a qualityful, nice touch over there. We turn on the natural energy lamp. We connect the AC adapter with the DC port. Then we press the power button to turn on the lamp. We set up the light and temperature. We press the power button to switch the color temperature from daylight, natural light and warm light if we like. We set up the lightness brightness with plus and minus button to adjust the brightness. We can make a short press to adjust for 5 levels of brightness. Long press to customize our desired brightness and then release the button. Then with the timer, we press the timer buttons to set a 10, 20, 30 or 60 minutes timer. The light will turn off itself with the end of the setting time. Short press to turn off the timing function. It's really easy as you can see, and it looks really nice. It's a good daylight and light therapy lamp by ElectriBrite, a natural energy light with 3 light colors and 5 adjustable light intensities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.